Hi, today I will show you how to change spark plugs in a 10th generation Honda Civic. The mileage on this car is currently over 175,000 miles as seen, and it still gets good miles per gallon. Firstly, remove the engine cover and set it aside. Loosen and remove these 4 bolts that are holding the coils using a 10mm socket. Carefully remove all 4 connectors that are connected to the coils by pressing the center tab and pulling away from the coil. Move the wiring harness out of your way. Use air to blow away any dust and debris that may be surrounding the coil, as you do not want any to fall in the plug hole when the coils are removed. A good rule is to mark each coil with a marker so you can put them back at the same position. Carefully remove the coils with the aid of a flat screwdriver and set them aside in order. Use a 5/8 plug socket to loosen and remove all 4 spark plugs. Inspect your old spark plugs and order new spark plugs from your local auto parts store to match the number and brand that is located on the old spark plugs. Use a plug gap tool to confirm or set the plug gap to manufacturer specs. The specs can be found from a simple internet search. For this car, the plug gap is 0.044 inches. Carefully insert the plug into the plug socket and reinsert the plugs into the engine, tightening by hand only at first to prevent cross-threading. Use a torque wrench to tighten all plugs to 16 foot-pounds, 22 Newton-meter. If no torque wrench is available, then tighten using your socket handle. Be careful not to over-tighten. Reinstall all coils into the same cylinder it was taken from. Reattach all the electrical connectors to the coils and reinstall all bolts that secured the coils. Reattach the engine cover. Now enjoy a better burning engine and experience a more fuel-efficient car. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.